Hi everyone, and welcome back to SoTech TV. My name is Hannah Badeau, and I'm the Marketing and Communications Specialist here at Socomec. Today I am joined by Neil Sharma. He is our National Sales and Marketing Manager for our power monitoring products. Today he'll be sharing with us our DIRIS DigiBOX solution. Hi Neil, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me, Hannah.
So why don't you start off by telling us a little bit about the DIRIS DigiBOX and why it's unique?
Sure thing, Hannah. DIRIS DigiBOX is our enclosed metering solution utilizing our state-of-the-art DigiWare and other single-point metering products. We offer a couple of different options. We have DIRIS DigiBOX A and DigiBOX M, and they come with different NEMA ratings depending on the product requirements. These enclosures can be installed indoors or outdoors. It's a very unique offer from Socomec. We have ensured that the products are highly adaptable to our customer needs. We provide many standard options and even offer a flex or a custom product that is designed as per our customer specifications, because sometimes their needs do not necessarily match with our standard range. As I mentioned, we have two different products in this range. We have DigiBOX A, which is our single point enclosed metering product, and we also have DigiBOX M, which is a multi-point meter products. The two products are created for specific customer needs with a lot of attention to detail when it comes to ease of installation and safety. Both the DigiBOX A and M have a few different options. While the DigiBOX A has options for communication protocols, DigiBOX M is more versatile. It has options for functionality levels and the number of metered points required.
Would you be able to elaborate a little bit more on the instrumentation inside the DigiBOX?
Sure, absolutely. The DIRIS DigiBOX products are powered by Socomec's innovative metering products. More specifically, DigiBOX A is powered our revolutionary A40 meter, depending on the communication output, and the DigiBOX M is powered by our modular DigiWare metering product range inside.
We have a lot of videos on those specific products, so if you're interested in checking those out, I will leave them in the description box down below. But as you mentioned, Socomec really takes customer safety and overall quality into the utmost consideration when they come out with a new product, and especially one that's for electrical usage. How has Socomec ensured that the DIRIS DigiBOX is safe and reliable?
That's a very good question, Hannah. And yes, electrical safety is a very important topic. And our design and construction always revolves around safety. We manufacture these products, these enclosed products, in our own UL 508 shop under stringent UL safety standards. To make sure the safety and ease of installation, we also provide a fuse holder inside each of our enclosure for safe voltage termination.
In addition to being compliant with UL standards, I know installation is a huge component to safety, as well as ensuring that the product is working to its full capacity. Can you kind of explain how Socomec has ensured that this is really there for the customer?
Sure, ease of installation is something we always strive for when designing our products. All the connections between the sensors and the meters or current transformers are with our RJ12 connectors. Additionally, the enclosures are designed to be easy to install. Not only does save time, but also mitigates any possibility of common errors. For example, the DigiBOX M standard enclosure comes with 3 large holes at the bottom, and that is to bring in the RJ12 cables, connectors into the box itself. And then all the enclosures also have knockouts on both sides, and that is for the purpose of bringing in voltage connections from the electrical panel. These enclosures can be installed on each side of the panel depending on the availability and the installation conditions.
Great, well, I think that's it for my questions. Thank you so much for being here on SoTech TV today.
Thanks for having me.
And thank you all so much for tuning in. As I mentioned, I will leave the links to some of our additional videos in the description box down below, as well as links to all of our social media accounts. Please be sure to follow us if you want to keep up to date on all things that we have going on. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you are notified of upcoming SoTech TV content. And thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye-bye.